and bring this in so you can see it. Now, the point isn't the code, the point is the avatar. This code manifests this avatar that I can drag and place, and he's always on top, right? So I can have him here, and he'll read to me. If I click a set of text here, and I say right-click, and I use my extension here, and I say read aloud, he's going to fire that off and read to me.
Close your eyes and picture a brick wall. What is the wall's basic building block? It is a single brick. Like a brick wall, cells are the building blocks that make up your body. Your body has many kinds of cells, each specialized for a specific purpose. Just as we use a variety of materials to build a home, the human body is constructed from many cell types. For example, epithelial cells protect the body's surface and cover the organs and body cavities within. Bone cells help to support and protect the body. Immune system cells fight invading bacteria. Additionally, blood and blood cells carry nutrients and oxygen throughout the body while removing carbon dioxide.
And I can hit a key combo to stop him. So this is just another way to get value from your content. And I find that the avatar, along with the highlighted text, can help drive my attention to help me retain more if I'm studying or if I'm reading long, complex papers and whatnot. So the avatar works on any web page for any content, reading the news, recipes, anything. You know, I like it for Notebook LM. Notebook LM, of course, will give you an audio overview, but sometimes I like to double click and look at the actual source documents and read those as well.